Next, there are three full containers of, now first we will see this concept. Please write down the concept of weighted average. First we will solve two problems based on weighted average, then we will discuss. There is a section A, section B and section C. Suppose here 90, 85, 80. These are the students in the section. Section A, section B and section C. The marks which they got are 71, 74, 78. Find the weighted average of 10th class if the 10th class has three sections, section A, section B and section C. There are three classes under a section. Class A, class B, class C. In class A there are 90 students. Class B there are 85 students. Class C there are 80 students. The marks of the students, average marks of students in class A, it is 71. Class B 74. If I take all the three sections, what is the weighted average of 10th class? This will become 78 into 1 into 90. Sum of the marks of all the students in section A. 74 into 85. 78 into 80. These nothing but. Now what we will do is, we will take it 175, total number of students are 255. 71 into 90, 74 into 85 and 78 into 80. Average is always greater than the lowest value. Average is always less than the highest value. So 71 plus average is always greater than the lowest value. 71, 71, deviation is 0. 74, 71, it is 3. 3 into 85. 78, 71, deviation is 7 into 80 divided by 255. Whatever the answer that you get it after simplifying, that is the weighted average of the entire class. Again I am saying class 10th has three sections. Section A, section B, section C. Section C, number of students are 90, B 85, C 80, 71, 74, 78. 71 into 90, 74 into 85, 78 into 80 divided by 255. Sir, can't I take 78? That also you can take. 78 plus 71 is 7 less than 78 minus 7 into 90. 74 it is 4 into 85 plus 0 divided by 255. Solve it, you will get the answer. Solve it, you will get the answer. I hope the concept is clear. Now let us solve this question. Listen carefully, sir. There are three full containers of mixture of milk and water. 6. Similar to section A, section B, section C, there is container 1, container 2, container 3. These are nothing but in the ratio 7 is to 5 is to 13. Milk and water are in the ratio 2 is to 3. Concentrate on milk or water. Milk is 2 by 5 into 100. Milk is 40%. Water is 47%. And third one also, it is milk in container 1. These milk in container 2. These milk in container 3. 9 by 20, which is 45%. Milk I will take, total 100 minus milk I will get water. 40%, 47% and 45%. 45%. So average if I take 40%, 40, it is 0 into 7. Are you all with me? 47, 40, it is 7 into 5. 45, 40, it is 5 into 13 divided by 12 plus 13, it is total 25. Average is always greater than the lowest value. So it is 40% plus 0 plus 7 5s are 35. 13 5s are 65 divided by 25. 100 divided by 25, which is 44%. Milk is 44%. Water will be 100 minus 44, which is 56%. 44 is to 56. Answer is 11 is to 14. Answer is 11 is to 14. I hope the idea it is clear. There are three containers. Container 1. Container 1, container 2, container 3. Mixtures are in the ratio 7:5:3. Milk is 40% in container 1, container 2 47, container 3 45. So, weighted average concept. Average is always greater than the lowest value. Even if you take 47 also, you will get the same answer. You can check it out. Very, very good question. Percentage question taken from a weighted average concept. Weighted average concept. I hope it is clear. Next one. If the radius of a circle decreased by 11%, method 1. A plus B minus AB by 100%. What is this one? If A is a percentage decrease and B is a percentage decrease. 11 plus 11 minus 11 into 11 divided by 100. 22 minus 1.21, which is 20.79%. 20.79. Method 1. By using formula method. Method 2. 11% is nothing but 11 by 100. 100, 11 decrease 18.9. 100, 11 decrease 18.9. These 10 power 4. 18.9 square. Already we discussed x square. 100 minus x square. Last two digits are same. X square. 100 minus x square. 6 square. 100 minus 6 square. 94 square. 89 square. Last two digits are similar to 11 square. 21. These 0, 0. 0, 0 minus 21. Negative remainder minus 21. Positive remainder is 79. Last two digits should be 79. Last two digits should be 79. I hope the idea is clear. Don't waste your time in using your mathematical intelligence on 89 square. 89 square and 11 square. Last two digits will be same. Why? Because x square and 100 minus x square. Last two digits are same. 89 is 100 minus 11. So my 11 square is 21. There is a minus symbol. Final minus initial. Final minus initial. So answer is 20.79. Idea it is clear, right? So this will become final minus 10 power 4 and it is 89 square. Method number 3. Method number 3. Now if you see, radius is decreased by 11. On 100, 11 decrease 18.9. On 100, 11 decrease 18.9. 18.9 square is 7921 divided by 100, 100, 100. You don't need to do all this. 18.9 into 18.9. 8 8s are 64. Digital sum in the numerator, it is 1. Denominator also, it is 1. Change is 0. Sum of the digits should be perfectly divisible by 9. Option is A. Option is A. Very, very easy question. Next one. This is also an exam question. Number of boys and girls. There are boys and there are girls who appeared in the exam. So those who appeared in the exam are in the ratio 9:7. So this is the ratio of the boys and girls who appeared in the examination. Now we require, it is given in the question how many passed. Passed is in the ratio 3:2. Again it is boys and girls. Boys and girls. Now if you see, if the 60% of the girls passed the examination, 60 in the percentage, it is 60% passed in the examination. 7, it is nothing but 7 into 60%, 4.2. I hope it is clear. So 2 is nothing but 4.2, 2.1. 3 into 2.1, 6.3. 6.3 percentage of boys who passed. It is 6.3 out of 9 into 100%, which is 70%. Answer for this question is 70%. Easy question. Boys and girls who appeared are 9:7. Passed are 3:2. These 2 is nothing but 60% of the total girls. 60% of 7 is nothing but 4.2. 2 is becoming 4.2. 2.1. 3, 2.1, it is 6.3. 6.3 out of 9. So the total percentage of boys who passed are nothing but 70%. Idea clear? A simple percentage based problems. Next one. 1 minute, sir. Any other question remaining for the right? A person buys 2 types of rice. He is buying, so price is given in the question. And 195 rupees per kg. The quantity he bought, that means consumption is also given. So price into consumption, it is nothing but expenditure. Price is given, consumption is given. So expenditure, easily we can find it out. 325 rupees per kg. Each kg it is 720. This is the initial expenditure. These 195 and each kg 675. These is nothing but the final expenditure. These expenditure initial and expenditure final. Now let us take the ratio. So if I take the ratio, 539s are 195, 565s are 325, 13 3s are 39, 13 5s are 65, 3 240s are 720, 5 13s are 65, 135. These nothing but 6 380s are 240, 345s are 130, 80, 516s are 80, 59s are 45. That means expenditures are there in the ratio. Initial it is 16, final it is 9. This is the ratio of expenditures, initial and final. He wants to earn 22% profit. On first quality, he wants to earn 22%. Second, we don't know X percentage, but after mixing, it should be 40%. First, how much he is spending total? It is 16. How much he is spending total? It is 9. Now, I hope it is clear, right? This idea, it is clear. 1 minute. 22. First one, it is 22%. Second, we don't know. It is nothing but 40%. So, these nothing but, if it is Q1, it is Q2, it is Q. So, Q2 minus Q by Q minus Q1, it is nothing but P1 is to P2, P1 is to P2. These nothing but the expenditure initial and it is nothing but the expenditure final. I hope the idea it is clear. 16 and 9. Now he will get the answer. Now listen carefully. 40 and 22. Difference is 18. Difference is 18. So it is into 2 times. It is into 2 times. So this also should be 16 into 2, 32. Again I am explaining. 40 minus 22, allegation. 40 minus 22, it is 18, but it is 9. 9 is becoming 18 into 2. 16 will become into 2, 32. This minus this should be 32. That means these is nothing but second one should be sold at 72% profit. Second one should be sold at 72%. What price he is selling? Second cost price is 195 rupees and the profit percentage is 72%. So if it is 100, he will sell it for 172. If it is 195, how much? Digital sum 6 into 1. Answer digital sum should be 6. Answer digital sum should be 6. 4 plus 5, 9. This is 6. 9. This is not possible. This is not the 5 plus 1. It is 6. 3 plus 6, 7, 12. It is not possible. So option can be 335.4 or 341.25. Now if you see, these are nothing but 195 is 200 minus 5 into 172. That means answer should be less than 340. B option is not possible. So option is D. Very, very easy question. These percentage questions are very easy. What you need is just investment of time. Price is given 325 per kg. Per kg, total kgs he purchased is 720. 325 into 720. Second quality 195. per total kg 675. Initial, this is the initial value and it is the final value. Initial 16, final 19. First one he sold at 22%. Second one we don't know. Now I will solve it here again. 325, neatly I will solve. 325 into 720 is to 195 into 675. These are nothing but 16 into 9. These are the expenditures ratio. E1 is to E2 ratio. These price into consumption. P1 into C1, P2 into C2. The first one he sold at 22% profit. Second one we don't know. Overall it is 40. This is nothing but 16 is to 9. So here I am using the concept of allegation. Q1, Q2 and Q. So these are nothing but P1, P2. So P1 is to P2 is nothing but Q2 minus Q by Q minus Q1. I hope the idea it is clear. 40 and 22, it is 18. So it is into 2. It should also be into 2. These are 32. X minus 40 is 32. X is 72%. 72% profit he should sell. What is the cost price? Second kind 195. 72% means 1.72. It is 195 is 200 minus 5. Answer should be less than 340. Less than 340. Digital sum is not matching for this. So answer is 335.4. 335.4.